Black holes are among the strangest things in the universe. They're not objects in the traditional sense. They're regions of space where gravity is so strong that nothing, not even light, can escape. The one you're falling toward isn't even that big, maybe 10 times the mass of the sun. But that's more than enough. You could spot it only because of the glowing disk of gas swirling around it. This disk, called the accretion disk, is millions of degrees hot, glowing brighter than entire galaxies. You're heading straight for it. And once you pass a certain invisible point, the event horizon, there's no coming back. As you get closer, your ship's systems start to glitch. GPS doesn't work here. The gravitational field is twisting space-time itself. From a safe distance, black holes appear calm, but up close, everything begins to warp. Light from distant stars bends around it like liquid. Time itself slows down. If someone were watching you from far away, they'd see your ship move slower and slower until you seemed frozen at the edge. But from your perspective, everything feels normal. You just keep falling. Before you even reach the black hole, you have to pass through its accretion disk, the most violent environment in the universe. This is a swirling ring of gas, dust, and shredded stars orbiting near the speed of light. Temperatures here reach millions of degrees. Even the best heat shield known to science wouldn't last a millisecond. Your spacecraft would vaporize instantly, and you'd be reduced to atoms in a flash of X-rays. But let's imagine somehow your ship is indestructible. You keep falling, watching the universe outside distort. Colors shift. The starlight turns red, then fades to black. The laws of physics start to twist under the immense pull of gravity. Now you're at the event horizon, the edge of forever. From this point, escape velocity exceeds the speed of light. No signal, no light, not even information can ever leave this region. You don't see a wall or a gate. It's invisible. You just notice that beyond this point, every direction now points inward. The idea of forward and back no longer makes sense. You check your clock. It's still ticking normally. But from the outside universe's perspective, your clock has nearly stopped. If someone could still see you, you'd appear frozen in time, forever hovering at the edge, never falling in. But you, inside, keep descending. Inside the horizon, space and time swap roles. Moving forward in time now means moving toward the center. You cannot stop. The laws of nature are dragging you deeper whether you want to or not. The gravitational difference between your head and your feet becomes enormous. This is called spaghettification. Your body stretches thinner and thinner, first at the molecular level, then at the atomic level. You're being pulled apart faster than your nerves can even transmit pain. But since you're immortal, you eventually reach the singularity, the core of the black hole. This is where all the mass is concentrated in a single, infinitely dense point. No one knows what happens here. Even Einstein's equations stop working. Quantum physics offers no answer. You could be compressed into an infinite density, or perhaps you're flung through a one-way tunnel into another universe, what some scientists call a white hole. Every trace of you, your atoms, your memories, even the information that you once existed, becomes part of the black hole's entropy. To the outside world, you never truly crossed the horizon. You just faded, slower and slower, until you disappeared completely.
Falling into a black hole isn't like dying on any planet. There's no surface to crash into, no air to breathe, no heat or cold in any normal sense. It's the universe itself consuming you, turning you into part of its geometry. In the end, the black hole wins. It always does.